Hello viewers! It's your guy James here from James Bagsik Video, and today we're going to unbox this hookup package from the Philippines. This is the MNL Bones WIP X Third Empire collaboration. So let's dive in. So let's see what's inside of this hookup package. Together with the cap is a certificate of authenticity. It writes MNL Bones, authentic, 0.45 out of 100, WIP logo, MNL. This is a collaboration of Third Empire and WIP X. WIP X is one of the major sponsors of Flip Top. Flip Top is a rap battle in Philippines. It's a snapback. At the side, we have a WIP crown logo. The material is black polyester wool fabric. And this MNL is glow in the dark. It's 3D embro in the front crown. This is the front crown and this is the MNL embro, which is 3D. Tonal Third Empire embro on the right side. Third Empire skull embro on the back. Catacombs in the underbrim. One size fits most. WIP rubber tag. W logo. Written WIP all over. Now to test the glow in the dark. And there you have it, folks. This is the MNL Bones by WIP X and Third Empire. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Shout out to Pops Russell for hooking me up with the MNL. Rock on.